So I am retired from Army Navy, sir.
Navy.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the fake case was registered against me, sir. There is no this thing, sir. But I will come with the prayer first, sir. First prayer, sir. Sir, actually, these are the documents which I am submitting it, sir.
One of the difficulties that on the last date your counsel appeared.
Yes, sir.
In the petition you have sought number of reliefs,
Sir,
which
actually
cannot
all
be
are,
considered in one petition.
sir,
So
all are interconnected, sir.
not interconnected. One is of the forfeiture of the bond.
Yeah, sir. Due to the second prayer, this thing was, sir, forfeited because continuously I was demanding documents, sir, in terms of section 207, copy of FIR, statement of witness 161, statement of witness 164, and other documentary evidence relying upon to prosecute, sir. Continuously I was demanding since 2020, sir, after taking a legal advice that these documents are mandatory to be provided, sir. Accused is entitled, sir.
So have you applied before the trial court?
Yeah, sir. The same order is there in the 15th June order.
So
after
first you decide that you are confining
sir,
to
it
which
was dismissed.
prayer?
It was dismissed after the Supreme Court's order also, sir. Supreme Court has passed an order to issue the direction was issued to the trial court to give the documents in terms of section 207. In the order of 15 June, it was told that this order was obtained by the Supreme Court by hiding the facts. Now, sir, when 408 transfer application was pending since 30 October 2021, sir, and the court has given a date on 15th February. Many
Let us, Mr. Ashok.
Yes, sir.
One by one, because we can't decide.
Yes, sir. I am taking
multiple
a prayer number 1, sir.
orders.
So I am taking
Come
a
to
prayer.
page 10 of your application.
Sir.
A.
Yes, sir. I will take that matter first, sir.
Yes. Whether you want to press this relief for
Sir, this is the hard-earned money of my. This is the hard-earned money of my relatives, which I have submitted the 1 lakh FD before the court. New FD.
Let us read the order. If you are confining, only 2,000 rupees has been forfeited.
No, sir. That's why I am submitting this the order.
Come to page 20.
Sir.
Come to para 5. Page 20.
पैरा 5 सर अभिलेख का परीक्षण किया गया दिनांक 24 मार्च 2000 को आरोपी अशोक ने न्यायालय के समक्ष समर्पण कर उक्त दिनांक के आदेश पत्र के अनुसार उसी मुचलका राशि में से 2000 रुपये की जब्ती की जाकर उसे 1 लाख रुपए का नई जमानत की इतनी ही राशि का नया मुचलका पेश करने पर छोड़ दिया गया सर। एक
तो 2000 ही जब्त किए हैं।
नहीं सर, उसे 1 लाख रुपए की नई जमानत। सर, I have deposited the FD of 1 lakh, sir. And the amount, I have filed an application for refund of that.
No, after forfeiting 2 lakhs, the remaining amount has been adjusted towards
No, sir. No, sir. It was not adjusted, sir. Sir, I have deposited the FD of 1 lakh, sir.
Achha, first, this is sir, first relief.
No, 2,000 rupees I have paid the additional fine, sir. Additional fine, I have paid the 2,000 rupees, sir.
So then, second relief is for providing documents.
Yes, sir. This was the Supreme Court's order, sir. That accused should be provided documents in terms of section 207, sir.
Yes. Thereafter, the trial court has rejected.
Rejected it, saying that the order was obtained by hiding the facts, sir. Sir, recently.
Where is that order?
Sir, Supreme Court's order. So Supreme Court order is in, sir, page number 50, sir.
50?
Yes, sir. It is in 51, sir. 51. The court, in the last 2 paragraphs, the court should also give the copies of documents in terms of section 207 of the code as prayer for the accused, sir. These documents I was asking since 2020, sir. And I have written many written memorandum 317, and sir, I have received a threatening that you withdraw the cases filed in Bombay High Court, sir. I have filed a writ petition.
Just a minute.